Hi there, it's me, Bam here. Happy leap year. And speaking of leap year, we took a leap of faith with Inner Rising. And we have an amazing infinite trip with Inner Rising. And our experience is just so amazing that I could not really explain it unless you have to experience it to yourself. So if you have a bucket list of something that you want to do it now. Inner Rising is here to help you and guide you. And they have a very in tune, amazing shaman in Colombia. And it's Shaman Alejandro. Thank you so much for this amazing journey that we have with you guys. Thank you.